Hi everyone, my name is Jess and I am a Thriftaholic. Today I have a ThredUP unboxing for the DIY scrap fabric. I watched a couple videos of other people, seemed interesting, decided to give it a chance. $30 plus shipping and tax. I had credit, so all in you're about $40. I'm thinking previous videos I've seen, they've had a lot of dresses and gowns. And we'll see what I got. This box came from Pennsylvania, so let's go ahead and get started. Before I open the box, I did cut it, but I have a ThredUP playlist if you want to go check it out on my channel of all ThredUP, like what sold, tips and tricks, all that. So let's get started. I did order this like on the 19th, and today is the 27th, so it did take a hot minute to get here. There was a shipping delay. It's not like ThredUP's fault, but without further ado, also I have my processing rack, and I got this vintage Victoria's Secret satin robe today at a garage sale. So, all right, first impression is good. It's not all the way full. Again, this is up to 10 pounds, but here it is when you first open it. And let's see what we have. I see scarves, which so let's see what scarf this is. It's actually like a poncho, or not a poncho. Well, yeah, you wear it like this, but it's a scarf fabric. I've seen somebody else actually have this. It's Grecian. It's like blue, red, and orange. It's kind of like an artsy piece. Don't mind my terrible hangnails. So I will put comps in the corner. There is like a button accent. Let's see if it's a functioning button. I believe it's just an accent along the seam, or like where it's gathered. So I do well with ponchos or caftans. This one's a little bit funky. This next piece I have to pull out. It looks handmade. Oh my gosh, these pants are crazy. These look like 80s parachute pants. Mixed prints. We've got, I call these like, oh, what's the word? Is it like ethnic? With all these crazy prints. I forget what it's called, but really cool. We've got Jamaica. Oh yeah, that's what these are. These are Jamaican pants, I think. We've got Jamaica colors, Africa. We've got palm trees, elephants, and then the back as well. It's like patchwork, and they are tapered, loose fit, elastic waist. These appear handmade. I don't see any tags on the inside. Not even like a made in. Sometimes they'll be like souvenir pieces, but I don't even see a tag where it was made. So I'll do some research. Google Lens is a good tool to use for pieces like this. So I think I can at least get 20 for that based off of the funkiness, possibly more. Oh, this is so cute. Here we have a tooled formal dress. It looks like a children's size, like a larger girl with the lace up. It is giving me like 50s, 60s vibes with how the tulle is gathered here. But I do not believe that this is vintage. This is it says it's I don't even know. There is no brand inside, so this would be sold based off of style. I do not see any damage. ThredUP couldn't sell this because there's no size. But yeah, sometimes when you buy or see pre-owned tooled dresses, the tool is ripped or there's snags. I do not see that in this case. So this will be sold. I will include measurements. This will be in my dress form so I can get an accurate reading of size. But like I said, this is a women's extra small, if not a girl's size large maybe. But that would be a great flower girl dress. This next piece feels like good fabric. This is an Anthropologie brand that is sold through Anthropologie. This is 100% linen. It's a size 12. It's a great size. And these are some trousers. The button top portion is kind of outdated, but these are wide legged. Do you see how wide these legs are? So this might be almost Y2K style. It seems like a mid-rise. I'm going to see if there's a year on this. I don't. I will tell you why they didn't sell. There is some discoloration right here. It almost looks like dried blood, or maybe chocolate milk or ketchup. I was just making sure it didn't come from the crotch area because that would be really gross. Yeah, and then I see a mark here. So I will stain treat this and hopefully be able to sell it. If I can't get the stains out, it will just be donated. I don't know how to sew. I don't make my own clothing. You know what I mean? This is just for fun. All right, so this fabric feels nice. This is a simple striped sleeveless dress with a tie waist. Has a small slit. Oh, and this is actually 90s. All that jazz. Right here. These dresses were for, like, if you were in doing like some kind of performance. They make leotards, everything. So I will list this as a 90s dress. It's a maxi. It's a size 3-4, but I'm guessing that's a current extra small. Yeah, it's a maxi. Goes to almost my ankles. And my tripod is on my ring light today because I'm filming in the evening. So it's set up a little funky. Sorry about that. Okay. Next piece. I love this color. I was hoping for some vintage. I know some people have gotten some vintage in their boxes. This is interesting. Very bohemian. This is in Y2K bohemian. Here's the asymmetrical hem with tons of crochet lace. Do you see this? I love this top. And it's got like a mesh underneath with the crochet overlay in this really pretty like salmon pink, almost peach. And the fabric feels nice. I do not see any interior tags. Let me check. Oh wait, here we go. So made in China. It is viscose. The knit is acrylic. So I do not see an RN number, unfortunately, so I cannot sell it by brand, which is fine. I can totally sell this with just keywords. Fun piece right here. So far, not too bad. We have some J. Crew shorts, J. Crew Factory. Some nice orange shorts, pull-on style. They do have slit pockets with an interesting, so the waist tie is on the side. Typically, you'll see it right here in the middle, and that is interesting. These are a large. They feel like a linen or a cotton. So let me just check. 55% cotton, 45% or I'm sorry, 55 linen, 45 cotton. So, linen blend. I see why they did not want to sell these. There is pilling right here. So I will take a sweater shaver, and it's also lightened here. I don't know if the dye has came off or if that is like a dust mark. So I will depill. Actually, I'll wash it first and see if that comes out. If not, I'll keep these and just warm around the house. So I need to put that in a separate pile. Here we have a dress. I can see immediately why they didn't sell this. Something I think I may be able to fix. This also has been altered. As you can see here, they do not sell altered clothing. Yeah, it has been altered. And also on the straps, the liner has come unstitched. I think what happened was they altered the strap as well right here. And so that doesn't really need to be fixed because it doesn't affect the dress. So the only issue, let's also see if the beading is intact. I see a string here, but this is a really pretty gown. Really pretty with the lace and the beading. This is floor length. It has smocking in the back. It has a side zipper. I do not see a brand, so this will have to be sold based off of style, but it looks to be a larger size. I would say this would be like an extra large, if not a 1X. And again, it's just probably chiffon. This feels nice. Pajama top? Yeah. It's very soft flannel. Man, I wish I had the brand tag. Do you guys know that trim on the inside? The tag's been cut, and I don't know what brand that here it is. Oh, it's I'm selling a pair Funky Monkey. These do not have a resale value. I could try to sell this top for like $8 to $10 if somebody's looking for it, just because of the novelty ski print. So I will try to sell that. Here's another gown. Oh wow, this is really pretty. So we have a high neck dress with heavy beading on the waist. And there is a blemish right there. Looks like a surface blemish. Yeah, honestly, it looks like frosting. And it has a high slit. It's like a jersey knit. This fabric does not feel like anything. This is simply R&M Richards. It is a size 14. So I will try to get that spot out just by spot cleaning it, because this is probably dry clean only with the beading. But this would be a great Mother of the Bride dress, which these type of gowns, I always put Mother of the Bride like in the title. So hopefully I can get that out. Here we have a vintage 90s piece. Just a brown embroidered sequence top by Betty B. It is rayon. I believe this is like a hippie-ish kind of style. Has it on the sleeves. Has side slits. We're getting down to the bottom, guys. So far it's been okay. Loft, extra small petite, novelty print top, has cute blue birds on it, and I'm trying to see, there has to be a flaw. Yes, there is a pull right there, and it will probably be donated. Let me see. The back is like a knit and the front is a chiffon fabric. The front almost feels like silk. I don't think it is though. It's just loft. Yeah, the front's polyester. So if there's only one snag, I will try to sell it still and just note. So there's a snag right here. So if that is the only snag, I will still sell it for just like $8. Oh, yes. I saw this print and I was hoping, it's not Pendleton, but it is a vintage Woolrich. This is nice. So it is made in the USA. I don't think it's super old, based off of this kind of tag. 35 by 70. It is like a Southwest style poncho with a buckle closure, like right here. So check out these beautiful colors. I'll go ahead and put it on so you guys can see. I'll have to angle my camera down a little bit. It doesn't want to, but yeah, if you get the effect, it's really pretty. This will probably be my best seller. It's not itchy either, because sometimes the 100% wool can be itchy. Oh, it's not 100%. It's 85% wool, 15% nylon. If I had to guess, I would say 80s or 90s as far as the decade. But yeah, it has this nice leather closure, or buckle type. So I'm not sure why they would not sell this. I do not see, I'm holding it up to the light because if you do, that's like the test to see if there's holes in it. And so far I do not see any. Maybe they just didn't know what it was. I'm not sure, but I will totally take that. This is definitely my favorite piece, and I believe it will net me the most. Again, I paid all in $40, and I could totally make. I am very pleased. I will probably buy another one of these boxes next week because I can sell everything but maybe 1 or 2 items. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, have you guys gotten this kind of box before, and were you pleased? Are you going to buy another one? All right. Well, thank you. And if you like ThredUP content, I will be doing more in the near future. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps out my channel, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.